Alright, now let us move to the question number 49, and it says that during the turning of 20 diameter steel bar at a spindle speed of 400 rpm, a tool life of 20 minutes is obtained. When the same bar is turned at 200 rpm, the tool life becomes 60 minutes. Assume that a Taylor's tool life equation is valid. When the bar is turned at 300 rpm, the tool life in minute is approximately 40. So this is, so you have to find out, and it is a very simple problem. Let us have a look. It's question number 49, and diameter of the steel bar is given to you. It's 20 mm, and the spindle speed. So this is N1, which is 400 rpm, and at 400 rpm you get a tool life of 20 minutes. And N2, if it is 200 rpm, then you get T2 as 60 minutes. Alright, and if suppose N3 becomes 300 rpm, then what will be the new tool life T3? This is what they demand to ask. So for that, my friends, it's very simple. Use directly the Taylor's tool life equation, which is given by V1 into T1 to the power n is equal to C, or directly you can mention as V2 T to the power n, like this. So firstly, you need to determine this coefficient over here, right? So how to determine V1? First of all, V1 is nothing but it's pi dn by 60, but everything is already in a minute and we don't need to convert it into seconds or something, so it's pi dn only, right? So it will be pi into d into n1 into t1 to the power n. So in a similar manner, pi d n2 t2 to the power n, right? So pi d and pi d will get cancelled over here. Simply you will get n1 from here, which is 400 times t1, which is 20 minutes to the power n. N2 is again it's 200 rpm, and t2 is 60 minutes to the power n. So from here you can compute the value for n, which is going to be 60 by 20. 60 by 20 is nothing but 3 to the power n, and 400 by 200 is 2. So this value of n over here will, the value of n is going to be how much? If you compute, you get 0.6309. 0.6309 is the value for n. Now you have to perform the exact same thing with this thing for finding out T3. So the equation, now it will become V2 T2 to the power 0.6309 equal to V3 T3 to the power 0.6309, and V2 is nothing but 200 times T2. T2 is how much? It's 60 minutes to the power 0.6309, and V3 is nothing but 300 rpm. Directly you can write it as like that, and T3 we have to find out, which is to the power 0.6309. So after solving everything, you should get T3 value as 32 minutes. You should get T3 as 32 minutes, right? So this is how it has to be solved, and it is a very simple problem, and yeah, you may note it down.